Did you know the revenue model of the automobile industry post the implementation of IND AS 115 and IFRS 15 has changed significantly? Companies like Tata Motors, Mahindra and Ashok Leyland have started reporting lower EBITDA. Do you want to understand why? Hi, my name is Ramanujam Narayan. I am a global gap expert. I have trained and transformed more than 1000 professionals across the globe in finance domain. Let's come to our example, right? As far as Indian GAAP is concerned, there was no specific requirement of unbundling of services and goods. So by virtue of this, under Indian GAAP, the entire revenue was recognized upfront. Now welcome to the era of IND AS. IND AS talks very specifically about unbundling of services and goods, right? But that needs to be done only when the services or goods are distinct. Now, the question that should come to all of your mind is, when can I say that a particular goods or services is capable of being distinct? There are two criteria. Please make a note of it. Criteria number one, when the goods or services are completely distinct from each other and customer gets the value based on the standalone product or service, or it gets its value along with other product or other services. Criteria number two, the product or the service are completely independent and is not related to any other deliverable in the contract. Now, let us put these two criteria in our case of an automobile industry. Automobile industry, when they sell a car, now all of you have to pay attention to this. This is not accounting, this business. In business, whenever automobile industry or automobile company sells a car like a Tata Motors or Ashok Leyland sells a lot of trucks, right? They sell along with the car, they sell insurance, they sell warranties, they sell support, they sell maintenance, they sell all other deliverables as well. Now, $1 million question to all of you. These services, what they sell along with car, is it an independent performance obligation or an independent variable, or it is completely dependent on the car? Now, take yourself as a customer. For you, this insurance, this maintenance, this warranty, these services, all of it have got its own individual value. So now, welcome to the era of IND AS. All automobile companies have to carve out these particular set of services separately, and they can recognize this revenue only they actually render those services. That means, from an automobile industry perspective, they will have direct impact on EBITDA because all of the revenues pertaining to these services will have to be deferred to future. Effectively, the EBITDA and the profit margins for these automobile companies are going to deteriorate further because of this deferral impact. If you are interested in knowing more and more interesting content like this, you can subscribe to my channel Finance First.